So let me show you how to reset the home screen layout on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra, or just basically any Samsung phone. So what you need to do is simply go to the home screen layout. So just pinch on the home screen and then tap on settings. Now under settings, basically home screen settings, scroll all the way down to about home screen, tap on that, and then tap on this little eye icon, and that opens the One UI Home App Info page. Now on this page, you want to come down here to storage, tap on that, and then the first thing you want to do is clear cache. And after clearing cache, go ahead and clear data and confirm you want to delete the data. And then now when you go back to the home screen, you'll notice the home screen layout is back to the default. All right, so that's basically how to reset the home screen layout on your Galaxy phone or Galaxy S25 if that's what you have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.